All right, so today we're finna place this alternator on this E46. We're gonna start by unplugging that negative terminal. All right, you just disconnect this one with a 10 mil. You feel me? All right, next I'm gonna remove all this little like air ducting, and then go for the fan next. All right, well, you're supposed to take off the clutch fan, but I said fuck it and just took off the idler pulley belt without taking off the clutch fan. So next I'm about to go for the top idler pulley, and just like that, the bottom idler pulley. That's wife here. You feel me? And I'm about to change this alternator. Already got the serpentine belt off. Now I'm finna go for this pulley next. You feel me? Just like that. All right, man. I've been doing this shit, man. As you can see, the alternator is fucking set free. About to just disconnect that positive terminal. Throw the new one up in there. Had to take my time with it though, because I didn't remove this clutch fan. So I had to, you feel me? All right. That brand new alternator. Out with the old and with the new. All right, so had some assistance. Had to get this shit done. Had to have the belt tensioner pulled from the bottom due to that clutch fan being still there. But yeah, alternator's in. It's good.